On the iconic .Connect, the news show this week, the aliens are coming. Ooh. No, they're not. They've been here all along. And the sudden disclosures, which continue this week, are just a long-planned scam to justify societal transformation. The Freemasons are chipping children, but it's only for their own good. And what's really behind the weather that we are told to blame on climate change caused by humans? That's the iconic .Connect, the news show, which you can see every Friday from 7 p.m. on iconic.com, and you can take out a free 7-day trial whenever you like.